Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change background in TradingView. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your TradingView app from your home screen. So once you have opened your TradingView app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the chart option. Once you're in the chart, you need to hit on the three dotted lines, and from there you need to tap on chart settings. So once you're here, you need to hit the back button and tap on the canvas option. So once you do this, in the background section you can find two boxes. You can tap on it and select any of the colors you want to put your background into and simply tap on OK. Doing this will allow you to change your background in TradingView. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.